Helpful for life.
Now I'm going to show you what I call just a regular fried egg, which can be cooked over easy, over medium, over hard. But you can see this butter's gotten brown, so I'm going to go ahead and dump this out in the sink and then wipe it clean with a paper towel, and I'll be right back. Okay, now let's get this guy heated back up. I'm going to throw some more butter in there. Crack the egg. Hear that nice sizzle when it drops in. So again, you see the whites on the outside have turned white and not as translucent. And then once these get just a little set is when we're gonna flip it. And you can see here, my butter browned a little bit. So you may want to cook it a little lower. This pan was still retaining a lot of heat from the first egg I cooked. But as long as it's not black and burnt, it'll be all right. It's still gonna taste good. I'm still gonna eat it. So you can see it started to solidify a little more and become a little less translucent. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this guy a flip. And you want to just give it a nice quick scoop underneath. If you hesitate, you may end up only getting half of it or getting messy with it. And you see it's got a little bit of color from the heat and from the butter and from the little bit of brown butter. Now, with fried eggs, especially if you're going for over easy, after you flip it, you really don't need to leave it in there that long, because it cooks fast and it's still going to cook a little bit after you take it off the pan. So this guy is ready to go for me because I like them over easy. Turn off that heat. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my salt and pepper. And also give it a nice little sriracha drizzle. And I'd heated up these tortillas in the microwave with a little bit of cheese to get that nice and melty. And then look, I got these two lovely breakfast tacos, and you can see both those eggs are nice and runny. So that's how you make fried eggs. Enjoy.